Chef Victor? Chef Victor? Do you know Chef Victor? Oh, hey, Chef Victor. Think about what you've done. And while you're at it, cook this chicken. I said cook it. You're a chef. I demand that you cook me a chicken. Cook it. I said cook it. Screw you, Nathan. Cook it. Cook it. Cook the chicken.
Subject matter suitable for a mature audience. Your discretion is advised.
Oh, if you throw like any type of solid on top of a pressure plate, the pressure plate will go down.
Sweet, not much. That's a foam boat without it. That was having crisps down there.